welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. Today we have another very awesome surprise. You can remember Jeroen.
Yes.
He was with us not too long ago with the
Armour Mojave Grom.
Yeah, really nice surprise. And today I got back from the crawlerbaan because I spent all day crawling, wasn't filming, just a nice day relaxing on the crawler track. And Jeroen sent me a message and said, do you want to go out and play? And then every time Jeroen does that, there's something in store. So, so I asked him, what's going on? What do you have? And well, maybe you should tell them, Jeroen.
Oh, like I said, I really like my desert trucks. So last time we were bashing in Amsterdam, I saw a car which I knew existed, but I'd never seen it in real life. And then when I did, I was kind of, yeah, this is really nice. And
it is.
And then I checked out a marketplace and I ran into a very, very nice car and ended up buying it. And it's very big. It's the LOSI 5IVE-T and it's converted to 8S electric.
I think it's time we show them. Okay, so this is what Jeroen was talking about. So look, now we're going to make a quick shot just to show the scale of this crazy thing, and maybe now that you've got it up in the air I could show the underside, metal chassis we can see here, metal shocks in there, and it has independent suspension both front and back. Let's have a look under the hood.
Here we have the inside of the car. It's going on 8S. It's got a HobbyWing Max5 ESC and a Castle Creation 740 kV motor with an extra cooling system, and I have the possibility to put on a brake if I choose to delete my reverse. Then I can make it so that if I brake, that this one engages too. I don't know what if I'm gonna try it or not, but.
And do you know anything about top speed?
Not yet, actually. Okay. I have not driven it. I have no idea.
Everyone is really lucky, and so am I, because today is going to be your first run.
Yes.
So we're going to see how it does, and if it does well, we may even get out a little bit of a ramp to see how the controllability is in the air.
Yeah.
And try not to break it.
I hope not.
I'm getting ready for the first run, hooking up the batteries. What kind of batteries have you got in there?
So 5500 4S.
But running around 8S now.
Yeah, I think it's like 50 Cs or 60 Cs or something.
Okay. First movement. Doing burnouts. How much throttle have you been doing now? Good brake. got a new battery pack in there. This thing really sucks juice because it just went through 8S in like, I don't know, Jeroen, how long? 20 minutes. But we got the ramps up, so we're gonna go see how it does. See how it does. Okay, coming up to some gravel. See what happens. Whoa. And it's gone, we can't see it. Dude. Ready? Whoa. Like a hurricane. Pull some tracks. Look at that, this is pretty hard gravel. Yeah, and look what it's doing.
You guys are so awesome. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like before you leave and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to check out our RC playlist with like almost 400 videos. Have fun, catch you later.